Welcome friends, today in this video I'll show you how you can download Android VPN app source code and run into your Android Studio and do some changings and re-upload into Play Store. So firstly I'll show you the demo of my app, then we create our VPN app. If you just simply download the VPN app source code and open into your app, it's not work. I'll show you if I press the connect button, my VPN is not connect. After connecting, you do some changings. I'll show you in the video how you can create the changings and your app is working fine. So firstly I'll show you how you can download and open into your Android Studio. Firstly open the link in description and click on download button. After click on download button, your downloading will be start. Now you wait some time. After successfully download, you can just extract your file. If you don't know how to extract your file, the link in description, you check this video. So firstly we extract the file here and wait for extracting the file successfully. Wait for the file extract successfully. After open your Android Studio and click on open button, and now select your location where your folder is extract. Click on OK button. So firstly I'll rename to show you. Now click on OK button. Select where your folder is located. Click on OK and your folder is starting. It takes some time to open into your Android Studio. After this completion, your app is working fine and successfully open into your Android Studio. Now I'll show you how you can download the file so your app is working fine. So firstly you go to your Chrome browser and here you need to type vpngate.net. This link is open, vpngate.net. So now you can open this link. After open this link, click on VPN Gate Public VPN Relay Server in top. I'll show you. Click on it and now scroll down. Now you scroll down and select any one server. Open VPN configuration file. So any server you select. So I'm selecting. You select anyone who have open VPN configuration file. Click on it and just download. Scroll down and download open VPN configuration file UDP. Click on it. Your downloading is start. You download the same file. You can also add many servers. You just need to download the file. After downloading, go to your downloads and copy this file. Name must be in small letters and easy. So I'm change the name is japan.ovpn. .ovpn is must, so you need to paste in your asset folder. If you don't have, create an asset folder and paste here. Click OK. Your file is pasted successfully. Now go to your Java activity, main activity, scroll down and here Japan OVPN, select the name change the name here with the file name you paste. This is Japan OVPN. It's the same name, so we don't need to change the name. If your name is changed, then you must need to change your name. Now we install our app, click on Japan, and now select connecting button. My app is connected. Need to wait some. My app is successfully connected and AdMob ad is also run. AdMob ad is already installed. You just need to change the IDs and your ads is also working fine, and you do some changings and upload into your Play Store and earn money. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel Coding World and like the video.